Hello Radio, this is 9 Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada calling.
Yeah, 9 Tango Charlie 02, you got 2 World Radio 4060 in the state of Colorado, my friend.
Hello, 2 World Radio, is that 4060?
QSL, yes it was. 2 World Radio 4060 in the state of Colorado. Operator Cody, Charlie, Oscar, Delta, Yankee.
Thank you so much, Cody. 100% on that last over. We have 2 World Radio 4060. Cody, is that C-O-D-Y or C-O-D-E-Y?
C-O-D-Y, my friend, C-O-D-Y.
Roger. The personal here is Andy. Alpha, November, Delta, Yankee. With your permission, sir, I'd like to do a VideoGate.
QSL, my friend. Well, hey, you're sounding good. I haven't heard any Division 9 today, so I thought I'd jump in there and say hello. How's the day going up there so far today? We got 75 degrees today down here, QSL.
Oh, Roger. Well, that's pretty warm. Here in Newfoundland, Canada, we had a high of 10 degrees Celsius, that is. So it's a little bit above freezing at 0. Yeah, we had a wonderful day. Nice sunshine, a bit of cloud, but certainly 10 degrees this time of year is a nice day. Absolutely.
QSL, my friend. Well, hey, 9 Tango Charlie 02 in Newfoundland, Canada. Operator Andy, my friend, thank you for getting back to me today. 7 threes, and I hope you have a great week ahead. From 2 World Radio 4060 in the state of Colorado in the city of Denver.
Roger, Cody, and thank you for that, sir. I'll give you the coordinates now so you can find this VideoGate now that we've concluded the conversation. The YouTube channel name is Andy Tobin. Say again, YouTube channel name, Andy Tobin. Last name, Tango, Oscar, Bravo, India, November.
QSL, my friend. Well, hey, I'm kind of losing you now, but just want to get a quick 7-3 in there and say you have a good week, my friend. Until we talk again, 2 World Radio 4060 in the state of Colorado. We're back quiet.
Roger Dodger, 9 Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada. We're clear to 2 Whiskey Romeo 4060 in Colorado. Cody, thanks for the contact, sir, and thank you for the VideoGate. I'll get this VideoGate now uploaded to my YouTube channel as soon as possible. Have a good day. Happy DXing.